With Veterans Day just around the corner, United Way Suncoast wants to shine the spotlight on a special program that it helps fund. Bay Area Legal Services Florida Veterans Legal Helpline provides extensive outreach, education, and direct legal assistance to eligible veterans. Joining us to share more information about the program is Alex Srsic, the managing attorney of the Bethke Veterans Law Center. Welcome to Suncoast Snapshot, Alex.
Thank you so much for having me, Ernest.
Well, we're happy to have you here. And I want to start by just asking, what's unique about the challenges facing our veterans, the legal challenges?
That's a great question. Thank you for asking that. One thing that we've noticed in assisting veterans is that they're not used to asking for help. Veterans as a population are very used to being self-sufficient and depending on themselves and each other. They don't necessarily like to go out and ask for help when they need it. So we found that sometimes it's beneficial to go to them or to be in places where they're already going for services. So that's one way we do like to try to treat them a little uniquely. Also, many of the problems that affect veterans are the same as those that affect the rest of the population, but there are some unique problems for veterans. For example, they might need help accessing their VA benefits. There might be VA overpayment issues. They might be having trouble accessing healthcare through the Veterans Health Administration system. Also, a unique problem for veterans is relating to their discharge status. Maybe they got a discharge that was less than honorable and they feel they're entitled to something better than that. So there's a variety of legal issues that are specific to veterans.
So how does Bay Area Legal deliver its services to the veterans to help them with these different issues?
So we have a law center called our Bethke Veterans Law Center. And that was created to really focus on the needs of the veterans in the community. Under that law center, we have 2 medical legal partnerships. So here in the Bay Area, we actually have a VA hospital in Tampa. That's the James A. Haley Veterans Hospital. And also over in Bay Pines in St. Pete, the C.W. Young VA Medical Center. So we have medical legal partnerships at both of those hospitals. Which is a great way to, like I said, kind of be on location where veterans are already receiving services and provide assistance there. We also offer help actually statewide through our Florida Veterans Legal Helpline. And we offer advice and in some cases actually full representation to veterans with a large variety of legal problems. And all of our assistance is provided at no charge.
Yeah, Alex, it's interesting that you mentioned the partnerships that you have with the VA because some of our veterans are having some health issues. Have you found that there's a relationship between legal issues veterans may be facing and their mental and or physical health?
Absolutely. I can see legal issues affecting veterans in various ways. Sometimes it's really obvious, like a legal issue can have a direct impact on health. For example, someone's living in an apartment and there's mold and the landlord is refusing to deal with it. Other times, legal issues might be causing a lot of stress to a veteran and causing other health impacts like elevated blood pressure or exacerbation of PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder symptoms. Another impact we see is that dealing with legal issues can be so time consuming to the veteran that they may not have the energy to prioritize their physical and mental well-being, leading to negative health impacts. So when we can assist with those legal issues, we're really seeing that relief, and that's beneficial for them in a multitude of ways.
Yeah, I love that aspect of what you're doing at Bay Area Legal. It's in tandem with the VA. We're giving veterans the service and the assistance that they've earned. So in closing, let me just ask, with Veterans Day coming up, how important is it for the community to not only acknowledge the service of veterans, but to find ways to help them.
Every day, but especially on and around Veterans Day, we should be really thoughtful about the deep gratitude that we have for those who served throughout the years. Their efforts have protected our way of life. As a community, I think we really need to ensure that we're providing services to those who served to make sure that they feel supported and to know that we're here for them.
Well, that sounds great, Alex. I appreciate that so much. Bay Area Legal is here to help veterans. United Way Suncoast is here to help veterans, not just on November 11th, but every day. So to learn more about the Florida Veterans Legal Helpline, you can visit the website on your screen right now. And to learn more about United Way Suncoast, you can visit unitedwaysuncoast.org. And as always, remember, united we rise.
United we win.
Yes, Alex. Yes.